Nigo bono ekiombe ekio kiogosangereria ebirengererio gose Ebango ense engima ya KISI yatwara egeikaro kia bene ebiomochio bosongo erio gosemia abananchi igoro ya CHINCHERA chiekerero ekio babekire erio gocha kwaneka ngosangeria bare Ebango korwa ase abananchi batari koiba batari kwenekia abakongo bonde bwensi na gosangeria Ebango eyo bakorogo no commissioner omanyekaine otenderete abonchereria obokoboke nabo iga barusia Ebango baria bake George Bell nigo bono baereire boigo Emeroberio babekire erio gocha kobeka amaonchereria ase amarieta nabo igo erangi yekiombe ekio nabo igo gokinia obokoreri bwabo ase chinsemo chia mashinani kwaneka bonanko moikeria bare mwananchi kawaida.
So we had today to get more of their responses, tell them of the plans that we have for them, what we have organized for them, and some of these plans is that we have come up with very many simplified solutions that are available for our taxpayers to be able to make it easier for them to pay taxes. They also told us feedback about the challenges they have for payment of taxes, and all this we took together so that we can be able to make sure that we make it easier for them to comply and pay tax into the future. So it was a very good engagement, and one of the key things they've told us is to make sure that we change and offer them services. So we change the way we handle our matters from the enforcement side to the making sure that we offer services to them. And that is the line we are taking. So the 3.2 million is the taxpayers who are registered in this region, the Western region, the 3.2 million. In fact, other than Nairobi, Western region has got the next highest number of registered taxpayers in this region. And these taxpayers, we believe if we support them, they will come faster than us enforcing. You know, enforcement also depends on the number of people you have.
We've received KRA commissioners, and we are happy there are a number of things that they've assured us that they intend to do, which will make our remittances of taxes and giving our annual returns to be a little bit easier. One of the facts that the commissioner mentioned, the e-teams did not capture all expenses of schools. Mostly I'm talking of schools because I'm from that field in 2025. So they're going to look into that, on how that balance is going to be engaged. However, there are some terminologies they use that will allow them to change, like from KRA to KRS for service, from enforcement to talking to people, because the word enforcement really makes people fear. Talking of compliance, let them say, I am a kujitegemea commissioner instead of a compliance commissioner. Those terminologies usually make people fear, and they see KRA as an enemy instead of seeing them as a friend.
People are very happy about this because contractors are now relieved that we are going to be waived, or we are going to be cross-examined. Why are you not paying your KRA or VAT money? So today we appreciate the commissioner for KRA, and we appreciate the coming to KISII. We request him to be going all around such that people can get civic to know KRA is not an enemy, KRA is not an askari, KRA is our rights as Kenyans to pay, but let's also advise these senior people who are evading from paying tax, like governors. They are correcting even from civil servants. They are not even paying students.